Reasons. Wow. Also, it's really freaking cold. I love it. I like this snow. This is good snow. This is nice snow. There are trees over there that really look like true Christmas trees. That is really cool. Oh gosh, it started snowing harder and it got in my eye. I'm covered in snow. We're turning on the Christmas tree. Nice.
We are not worthy.
Hell yeah. We're cheap and we don't have gloves, so I'm using a washcloth. This is a nice truce. How could you mod? I'm gonna throw it on the ground. My hands are cold, my hands are cold, my hands are cold, my hands are cold, my hands are cold. Oh my gosh. My hand is so red and numb. I just went into the shower and turned on hot water and my hands aren't as cold, but I still can't move them without feeling weird. Whatever, we're gonna go back out. Whoa. I wonder if I'm tall enough to reach the roof. It's so cold! My hands are super cold again. We don't have a fireplace or anything, so there's nowhere for me to warm up except for the hot water in the shower. Also Christmas. Damn! Like right here, it would normally be like really, really hot, and then I would say I hate Texas, but now it's snowing and I love Texas. I mean, like, I don't know about you, but I'm having a lot of fun with this. Ow, my knees. I'm gonna stop going outside for now, because, like, my nose is very stuffy, and my nose is all runny and stuff. So I'm gonna stop here, and I'm gonna go ahead and warm up. So, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next video.